This is Lovelace. Lovelace is a red rat snake. Rat snakes are native throughout the whole entire state of Florida and also throughout the whole southeastern United States. I can't tell you how old Lovelace is, but we've had her for about 6 years now. So she is full grown. And most snakes, people don't realize this, but most snakes can live between 30 and 40 years. Lovelace eats a frozen large mouse every 2 weeks. And that's about a typical feeding schedule for a snake is every 2 weeks. And it's nice that she eats frozen because it makes it really easy to feed her in that regard.